Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can write review on daraz. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open daraz application and click on account. And here you need to click on to review. So here you can see different orders are there that I purchased and I did not left any review. So you simply need to click on this review. And here you can see upload photo. You can upload photo, and here you can see don't be shy, tell us more. So I'm going to add very good product. You can add anything, it is up to you. And if you want, you can hide yourself by doing anonymous. So here you can see that your name will be showed as like this. And here you can see that how you can do star ratings according to your choice, and shipping and handling, it is up to you. And so you can add your seller service, and then you need to click on share review. So now you can see that my feedback is added. So here you can see that. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.